Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought of trying something a little different. I've wanted to paint couples for a while now, but portraits in human fingers has always been a challenge for me, and it still is, quite frankly. So here I am sharpening my chalk like I'm still from the Flintstones. Proportions are one thing and so are all the details. I'm running out of things to paint too. 130 paintings and a few others unrecorded over the span of a year is quite a lot of landscapes. Put it simply, I need to broaden my horizons since my well of creativity is running low. Originally, the title for this was supposed to be Rainy Sunday Mornings or Lazy Sunday Mornings with You. It definitely has a nicer ring to it. But since Sunday's a day of Sabbath, and quite frankly, on a Sunday I'd probably be wallowing in the corner of the bed under the blanket, whining about Monday blues. Realistically, some hot steamy makeup session would be the last thing on my mind. Rainy Saturday morning sounds just about right. And a lot of you have been asking me what the umbrella and all my paintings mean. It simply means passion. So this is what goes on behind the red umbrella. I've kept it PG-13 still. So a few of the challenges that I faced while painting this was trying to angle them in a less awkward position. And the size of their heads. I've yet to resolve that because I think his head is too small for his body. I hope he's not a bird brain. And it was difficult to paint her thighs. It was either size standard thighs or spaghetti noodles. There was no in between. But despite it all, as a secret hopeless romantic, this was fun to paint. I love the mood here, and the slightly gloomy but cozy setting. Will this open new doors to couple commissions?
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.